Alright, I think I'm recording. uh, my screen to explain to you the problem. And to explain to you the problem, I have to start with how I got to start with a lot of stuff. And basically, the current problem deals with these window panes and these columns. So this is it's called Diffuse Map. It's just basically the basic drawing of what is going to go onto the plane. What plane, you ask? Like all these planes in here, right there, boom, 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 and so it basically just draws whatever I have there onto here. Um, so that's what it kind of looks like. Um, Now I got to explain to you what a normal mapping is. So normal mapping, this is what it, first I'll show you what it does, and then I'll show you what it looks like. A normal mapping takes this, where it's just very, flat looking, and let me turn it on. And then depending on where your light source is, it'll cast these little shadows and make certain things lighter. So basically, I got these shadows going on to make it look like it's, bumping out in 3D. That's great. The thing is, the way I've assembled all these windows has kind of made it look like these lights aren't super patterned all over the building. I've mixed it up so it looks, as random as you would see. So there's not like just the same pattern all over the building. Alright, so the problem I'm getting, as you can see on the top edge here, it's not looking right. It actually looks a little better now because I started to fix it over here at least. But if you look, like right here, oh, actually it's already starting to be fixed because there's some dark on this top edge, but there's no shadow right there. So what I gotta do now is go back to this thingy, and where right here's that top edge piece, and underneath it, underneath all these big fat ones, they're supposed to be where the windows are, and I gotta basically put the very top of the window in so I can turn on the normal mapping, which looks like this, which is weird, but basically it tells the computer, oh, where the shadows are supposed to be and where's the light supposed to be. So I got to add that to the bottom, which I've already started to do right there. And then I got to go back into here and basically, let's see. Right now this is the plane. I got to extend it downwards a little bit so it encompasses the top edge of all these windows and all these columns, and also in turn, decrease this edge and then change where they all map to over here at the UV mapping, which this is just the picture from imported, but you can see here this orange box is what this plane is looking at. So I'll have to decrease all these a little bit, and it's gonna be a pain in the butt. And yeah, it's stupid. It's only a little minor thing that this top edge window is there, but it's just something that I didn't think about going into it because I really didn't know how normal mapping worked. And so this is called the long and hard way of learning.